Hello! Welcome to Health Heaven. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your weight? Do you want to look and feel your best? Well, you're in luck because today, we're sharing our top weight loss tips to help you achieve your goals. I'm your host, and let's get started. Asterisk tip 1. Set realistic goals. Asterisk. Set realistic goals. Losing weight can be challenging, but setting unrealistic goals can set you up for failure. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week for a sustainable weight loss. This might seem slow, but trust us, it's worth it in the long run. Asterisk tip 2. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Asterisk. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that will keep you full and satisfied. Asterisk tip 3. Stay hydrated. Asterisk. Hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss. Aim for at least 8 cups, 64 ounces of water per day. Sometimes, thirst can masquerade as hunger, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Asterisk tip 4. Incorporate physical activity. Asterisk. Incorporate physical activity. Exercise not only burns calories, but also helps build muscle mass, which can further boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity, -1 per week. Asterisk tip 5. Get enough sleep. Asterisk. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and fullness, leading to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help regulate your appetite and support weight loss. Asterisk tip 6. Manage stress. Asterisk. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Try stress-reducing techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to help manage stress and support weight loss. Asterisk tip 7. Monitor progress. Asterisk. Monitor progress. Keeping track of your progress can help you stay motivated and on track. Use a food diary or mobile app to track your eating habits, physical activity, and weight loss progress. Closing shot of the host appears on screen. And there you have it, our top 7 weight loss tips to help you achieve your goals. Remember, losing weight is not just about the number on the scale.